today we're going to do 3 in 1. It's a top prize of 1 million. Oh, look at all them prizes there. Some of them would be nice. Right then guys, let's have a go. Let's see how we get on. Right then, first video. Okay, the first video we're going to do these here. Cash lines. Ems likes these ones. Right, we're going to do left to right the way I'm scraping. Right, so we're looking for a stack. There should be one. Is it there? There. Right guys, now we're looking for some bars of gold, and they're down here, hiding. Right guys, now we're going to look for a wallet, a wallet, a wallet, a wallet. Now guys, we're looking for a nougat. There's the nougat. Right guys, now we're looking for pearl necklace. Don't say anything. Alright, and now we're looking for a chest. Right guys, we're looking for a crown. Pound. That's it guys. Oh, no, we're still going. Diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Diamonds in the sky. And a ring. Guys, that was rubbish, wasn't it? Hey, lots of teasers on that, I think. Yeah, tease. Oh well. That's the end of that. Right, okay, so now we're going to have a go at bingo. Let's see if we can be brilliant. If you win on this side here, it's more than this side. A row on this side is £5. Column is 20. Diagonal is 50. And all 4 corners is 1,000. On this side here, a row is 10. Column is 50. Oh, that's nice. Diagonal is 100. And 4 corners is the million. Ooh, exciting. Can we get a million? Right, and we've got 55 and 24. Well, that one's free. No 55, but we have got 24. Next to the free one. Free. 24, no. 55, yep. Right, okay guys, let's get over here. We've got 10, no. 10, yep. And we've got 40, yep. 40, yep. Okay guys, let's get more scratching done. Here we go. Oh, itchy bitchy. 56. 56. Nope. 26. Yep. Okay. What have we got here? We've got 32 and 63. Well, no 32. And no 63. 32, yep. 63, yep. 1 and 41 of those 1. 41, 41, no. Oh, 41 is here. We've got 41. 67. Yep. 13. Yep. 19. There's 19. There's 19 there. 60. 60 there. Right, and guys, 71. $47. 61. 46. Just shouting at my dog jumping up on the sides. Oh, I'll be having that. Right, and 36. Yay. No. And last but not least, 64. Knock on the door. 64. Knock on the door. All right, and guys, nothing. Boo. Right then, okay. Right, and down here on the cash word, if we find 2 words, we get 5, 3, 10, 450, 500, 6,000, 7 million. Shall we find a million? Right, okay. We're looking for H. H there. H in shutter, H in change. That's it. G. G in change. And G in shutter, a mid. And reply, no. Ah, haha. Change, shutter, yes. There's no. Not any more R's? No, there isn't, guys. Sorry. Okay, what have we got here? Z. That's rubbish, isn't it? Totally not a rubbish. An I. An I. A mid. Ink. Oh, 2 eyes. Well, hey. Aye. Oh. Not. Union. Okay, let's get here. Q. Oh, that's rubbish. D. Is it a D? A mid. Is a D. Right, okay, guys. S. Well, there's an S in shutter. Oh my God, there's an S there. That's quite rubbish, isn't it? Y. We have a Y here. And a Y here. There we go. A P. There's a P there. That's rubbish. Come on. T. Well, there's 2 T's. In shut. Come on. God, dust off this. A mid. There's an M in a mid. X. And Z, X, and Q. Right. L. Always need an L. L. A. Haha. A. Gosh. K. And C. That was a bit naughty, wasn't it? So, any N, no N. Any E, no E. U. No U. E, no E, no U, no N, no E, no N. Guys, we tried, but it was rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. I need to do my doggy ones, don't I? Hey, on that, I'm going to go and get a doggy one. Because that was so rubbish. I've got doggy ones here. We're going to find some Lolas. Come on, Lolas everywhere. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Lola, come on, little Lola. Rover. No. Duke. Come on, Lola, where are you? Guys, there she is. There she is, bum shakalaka. And she's coming in with a little £2. But that's okay, guys, because at least bum shakalaka for Lola. See, doggies every time. Luna, have we got Luna? Rover. Misty. Luna, come on. Timber. Raph. Molly. Luna, lunatic. Lola. That's what we got last time. But we did get her. Fair play. Cool, come on, Luna. Don't let me down. I know, Luna. But guys, boom shakalaka. Thank heavens for little Lolas. Aye? There we go. One winner. Others were rubbish. But we had some fun. And let's have some more tomorrow. Right, and guys, if you're not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. Help me grow. And tell all your friends to get on here and watch us. See you soon. Bye.